Hello my dear students, welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session we will discuss the remaining exercise questions. That is exercise 13.5 question number 7. A godown measures 40 meter by 25 meter by 15 meter. Find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter by 1.25 meter by 0.5 meter that can be stored in the godown. According to the question, it is given that the measures of godown. The measures are given as 40 meter by 25 meter by 15 meter. That means length is 40 meter, breadth is 25 meter and height is 15 meter. So here we can identify that this godown is in the shape of a cuboid. So first of all we should find out the capacity of godown. The capacity of godown we have to find first. Okay. For that we want to find the volume of the cuboid, that is LBH. That is equal 40 into 25 into 15 meter cube. No need to simplify that here because this is not our final answer. Okay. Then in the question it is given that the dimensions of wooden crate. Wooden crates dimensions are given. That is given as 1.5 meter by 1.25 meter by 0.5 meter. So length is 1.5 meter, breadth is 1.25 and height is 0.5 meter. So here we have to find the capacity of a wooden crate. Okay. That is equal volume of cuboid itself because L, B and H are different. So its volume is LBH. That is equal 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5 meter cube. So here we have to find number of wooden crates that can be placed in the godown. So that is equal capacity of godown divided by capacity of a wooden crate. Okay, a wooden crate, that is equal, we already find that 40 into 25 into 15, then divided by capacity of one wooden crate is 1.5 into 1.25 into 0.5. Then we have to simplify this. First of all we have to remove this decimals from the denominator. So here after decimal how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there in total. So we should multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 10,000 because 4 digits are there after decimal in the denominator. Now we get the value as 40 into 25 into 15 into 10,000 by the decimals can remove from the denominator, then it become 15 into 125 into 5. Then we can easily do the cutting method. Okay. So first of all we can cut this 15 and this 15. Then in 5, 1 5s are 5, in 5 5s are 25. Then 5 5s are 1, 5 in 5, 1. Then in 12, 2 5s are 10. Then 2, in 25, 5. Okay, the next in 25, 5 5s are 25. Then here 8 5s are 40. Then what we get? 8 by 5. Then here 10,000 is also there. 10,000 is also there. So we should multiply that by 10,000 too. Then again this 5 by 10 into then these 3 zeros. Then we will get 8 into 2000 equal 16,000. So how many wooden crates can be placed in the godown? 16,000 wooden crates can be. Before doing the next question, exercise 13.5, 8th question. we have to discuss about the volume of a cube. Volume of a solid is base area into height. So volume of a cube is a square into a. Since base area of a cube is a square and height is a. So its volume is a square into a, that is equal a cube. So volume of a cube is a cube, cubic unit. Now exercise 13.5 question number 8. A solid cube of side 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of the new cube? Also, find the ratio between their surface areas. According to this question, there is a big cube of side A equal 12 cm. So, we have to find its volume first. Okay, volume of solid cube equal, what is the equation? A cube, cubic unit. Okay, a cube, cubic unit, that is equal 12 cube, cubic centimeter. That is equal 12 into 12 into 12 centimeter cube. Okay, no need to simplify that here because this is not our final answer. Then in the question it is given that this solid cube is cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes. So let's take edge of the small cube be small x centimeter. So here volume of a small cube is x cube. This is same as 1 by 8 of volume of big cube. This is the volume of big cube, that divided by 8 because that big cube is divided into or cut into 8 small cubes with equal volumes. So this is the volume of a small cube. Okay. So here we can find x. Edge of the small cube x is equal cube root of 12 into 12 into 12 by 8. That means cube root of numerator and cube root of denominator. Cube root of numerator will be 12 because 3 12s are there. So when we took cube root, then we get only 1 12. Then cube root of 8 is 2. So 12 by 2 is 6 centimeter. This is the edge of a small cube. Then here we have to find the ratio of their surface areas. So we have to find their surface areas. So first we have to find the surface area. Surface area means total surface area of solid cube. That means big cube is equal 6a square. That is equal 6 into 12 square. That is equal 6 into 12 into 12. No need to simplify that here. Next we have to find TSA of small cube with edge x. So its surface area is 6 into x square. Here in the place of a, x. So we have to substitute the value 6 into, what is a we got? That is 6. 6 square. That is 6 into 6 centimeter square. Here also it will be centimeter square. Then we have to find their ratio. So their ratio will be 6 into 12 into 12 by 6 into 6 into 6. Then we can simplify that easily. Then we will get 2, 1. Then 2 into 2, 4. In denominator 1. So we will get it is 4 by 1. So the ratio will be in the form of is 2. So 4 is to 1 is the ratio between their surface areas. Surface areas means total surface area. Okay. Now exercise 13.5 question number 9. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? In the question it is given that rate of flowing water. Rate of flowing water. Okay. That is given as 2 kilometer per hour. Rate of flowing water is given as 2 kilometer per hour. Can take length of the water column in 1 hour equal 2 kilometer. It is equal to kilometer. That we should convert into meter. To convert kilometer to meter, we should multiply by 1000. So this is equal to 1000 meter because all the other measures are given in meter. So here length of the water column in 1 hour is equal to 2000 meter. And in the question it is given that the depth of the river. So depth of the river we can take as h, height. Depth and height we can take as same. So h equal 3 meter. Depth of the river is given as 3 meter. So h equal 3 meter. Then width of the river is given as 40 meter. Width of the river means what? B, breadth. B is equal 40 meter. So we got the values of L, B and H. Then here we have to find volume of water falling in the sea in 1 hour. Okay, volume of water falling in 1 hour into the sea. That is equal LBH. Then that is equal 2000 into 40 into 3. Then we should multiply them. Then what we will get? 24,000. That means 2,40,000 meter cube. This is in 1 hour. In 1 hour. That means in 60 minutes the falling water is 2,40,000 meter cube. But in the question it is asking for 1 minute. So in 1 minute what is the water level? In 1 minute how much water is falling into the sea? That is equal to 2,40,000 divided by 60. Here for 60 minutes 2,40,000. So for 1 minute 2,40,000 by 60 meter cube. Then we should divide that. Then we will get 4,000. So it is equal 4,000 meter cube. This much water will fall into the sea in 1 minute.